The question of the day is, show that the maximum surface area of the cylinder that can be inscribed in a given sphere of radius r. तो आपको एक sphere given है of radius r and a cylinder is inscribed in it. A cylinder is inscribed in it. Let this be the cylinder and this is the diameter of your sphere is of radius r. तो आपका जो sphere है वो radius r का है, तो let this be the diameter, so this is 2r. Let h be the height of the sphere, height of the cylinder, and let r be the radius of the cylinder, so this be the diameter of the cylinder is 2r. Now you have to show that the maximum surface area, so let s be the surface area of the cylinder, then maximum surface area is pi r square 1 plus root 5. अब आप क्या करेंगे? To find out the maximum surface area, you have to maximize surface area function, and your surface area function is, surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. Now surface area is a function of two variables r and h. You have to first make it in one variable. तो आपके पास कोई भी एक रिलेशन होना चाहिए जिससे आप r और h को एक ही वेरिएबल में कर पाएँ. सो लेट अस इंट्रोड्यूस थीटा हेयर. लेट दिस बी थीटा. तो आप इसमें ट्राइंगल ए बी सी में यू कैन अप्लाई ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हेयर. तो 2r and this is 2 capital R and this is AC is h. So by applying trigonometry you will get 2r base upon hypotenuse. 2r will be equals to cos theta and perpendicular upon hypotenuse 2r will be equals to sin theta. So your small r can be written as r cos theta and h can be written as 2r sin theta. Now your surface area function will become 2 pi rh, r into h, r cos theta into 2r sin theta plus 2 pi r square, r is r cos theta square. So surface area function will become 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. So you can write 2 pi r square into sin 2 theta plus 2 pi r square into cos square theta. Now this is now s is a function of theta. To maximize your surface area, you have to first differentiate it once. So differentiating with respect to theta, we will get sin 2 theta का differential क्या होता है? Cos 2 theta and 2 theta का 2. So it will come 4 pi r square cos 2 theta plus cos square theta का differential क्या होता है? 2 cos theta into minus sin theta, and that will give you minus 2 pi r square 2 cos theta into minus sin theta. Minus आपने यहाँ एक्सपेंड कर दिया. You can write it again this as sin 2 theta. So this will come 4 pi r square cos 2 theta minus 2 pi r square 2 pi r square sin 2 theta. Now by equating it 0, we can find out the critical points. If the first derivative is 0, we can get this upon this. This will be equals to 0, will give you tan 2 theta is equals to, tan 2 theta will be equals to 2. So we can write it as theta is equals to tan inverse of 2 ka half of tan inverse of 2. So this can be considered as a critical point. Now we have to observe whether this is a point of maxima or minima. So for that you have to find the second derivative of your surface area function. So second derivative of this function is cos 2 theta ka derivative minus sin 2 theta into 2. So this will be equals to minus 8 pi r square into sin 2 theta. Now sin 2 theta ka derivative is cos 2 theta into 2 minus 4 pi r square into cos 2 theta. Now when tan 2 theta is equals to 2, when tan 2 theta is equals to 2, your sin 2 theta will be जब अगर आप इससे ट्राइंगल कंप्लीट करें, let this be 2 theta, if tan 2 theta is 2 by 1, so perpendicular upon base, so this will come root 5. So sin 2 theta will be 2 upon root 5 and cos 2 theta will be 1 upon root 5. So the second derivative when theta is equals to half of tan inverse 2 at this critical point will be sin 2 theta की जगह आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? You can write 2 upon root 5 and cos 2 theta की जगह you can write 1 upon root 5 and this will come minus pi r square by root 5 आप कॉमन ले ले minus 16 minus 4 that is minus 20 pi r square upon root 5 and that is negative quantity. So second derivative at critical point is negative. That implies this is a point of maxima. And you have to find if this is the point of maxima, so you have to find the surface area at this point. So the surface area at this point is, your surface area will give this. Your surface area is this. So by using this function, you can easily find the maximum surface area. So maximum surface area will be 2 pi r square, sin 2 theta is 2 by root 5 plus 2 pi r square and cos square theta. Now you can write 2 cos square theta as 1 plus cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta is you can write cos 2 theta as 1 upon root 5. So this will give you pi r square is common, 4 by root 5 plus 1 plus root 5, and this is equals to pi r square. 1 plus 5 by root 5 will give you root 5. And this is what you have to show, that the maximum surface area will be pi r square 1 plus root 5.